might just put a line on a paper and that just suddenly triggers something in your head and drives you to a great idea.
When I draw and sketch, it just lets me be more free, and I think that's where I get better ideas from.
Coming up with concepts, I think it's hard to do in computer. Ignore the computer for as long as I can and just doodle and sketch and see if I can just let my imagination run free.
The happiest accidents have come from just experimenting. And the biggest shifts in my own style and career have happened because I have broken some of my own rules.
We can talk about a line from a pencil, we can also talk about a line of thought. The sketch is the proof of the idea.
Like, the great thing about sketching is that it marks a moment of beginning. We all remember when things started, like when a relationship with somebody started, or when a great moment in the project where the idea really came through.
Rotring is about thinking and sketching with the purpose of communicating visual ideas. Our cause is to provide the creative community with the tools to bring their art into industry. Creatives have always used sketching to help them develop powerful thoughts. Thinking and sketching, after all, is the beginning of the future. So think on. Create.
Made for 100 years in rainy Washington State, Write in the Rain all-weather writing products defy Mother Nature and defend your notes from the elements. Our patented paper is recyclable, water-resistant, and archival grade, so it'll survive moisture, stains, or a lifetime in storage. Our writing utensils make the same promise to work in any weather. Our pens write upside down and through moisture, and our pencils flex so they don't break in the field. Our covers and planners are made from tough Cordura fabric that keeps your field essentials safe and organized. Write in the Rain, defying Mother Nature since 1916.